Hello everyone. Today we're going to make a Mediterranean chickpea salad. It's really easy to make. On a cold winter day like this, it's a little bit of sunshine to add to your life. So come on, let me show you how to make it. In a large mixing bowl, I have a can of chickpeas that I drained and rinsed. I have 1 chopped tomato, a chopped cucumber, 2 chopped scallions, and 1 rib of celery chopped. For the vinaigrette, I have 1 minced garlic clove, a 1/4 cup of olive oil, 3 tablespoons of white wine vinegar, some salt and freshly cracked pepper, and I'm adding about a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, that's optional. And I'm adding about a teaspoon of dried oregano. Now we're going to shake that up. Now we're going to pour that vinaigrette onto the salad, get all the good bits out, and give everything a toss. And for our last ingredient, we're adding a big handful of fresh spinach. Add the spinach right when you're ready to serve. And for the last ingredient, some crumbled feta. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed that recipe, and please let me know if you try it for yourself. Please share this video with your friends, don't forget to subscribe, and please join me on Sundays at 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time for my live show, live from the Dolce Vita Cafe, where we can have a nice chat. I'll see you soon. Bye.